Hi, my name is Twan and I'm the creator of the Crossroad HTML template, and today I want to show you how quick and easy it is to create your own link in bio page using Crossroad. So let's assume that you bought the Pro package and that you got the zip, you unzipped it and you open it up in your favorite editor, which in my case is VS Code. So once you open up the project, you will see that you have an assets folder which contains the required CSS, some icons and some images. For today we won't be uploading any images just for the sake of the speed of this video, but know that you can upload your own images and videos as well, as some blocks contain video elements. Then you have the blocks folder, which is really where the magic happens. See them as Lego bricks. Like let's say for instance we have this header with background image. It comes with an HTML and a CSS file, and all you have to do really is like go to the HTML file, select everything, copy it, then go to the index.html, which is basically the holy grail of your Crossroad template. And here it says copy and paste your blocks inside of here. Fine, we'll do that. Same for the CSS. We copy it and then we paste it into copy and paste your block styles below. And then let's see what happens when we go to the browser. Now we have nothing. If I refresh, bada bing, bada boom, we have an header. So let's replicate roughly what I have for my own link in bio page, which is also completely built with Crossroad, but modified here and there, which is perfectly possible. So we see we have this little gallery here, which are pretty much portfolio items. And we have a couple of featured blocks, and then it ends with a social row, and it has a footer. Let's skip over the footer for now. So first things first, the portfolio gallery. I know what it's called, so it's a little easier for me to find at the moment. So let's go below the header. Again, same process, copy and paste. Same for the CSS. Copy and paste. Back to the browser, refresh, and there we have it. Just like here, we have the items. And as you can see, the styles are a little bit different, but again, you can modify everything. Actually, the philosophy is bring your own framework and bring your own data. So we only provide the HTML and CSS, so it's easy for you to integrate this with Next.js or Vue or whatever framework you might want to bring. And if you're less experienced, you can also just upload this as plain HTML and CSS and just upload the text and change a couple of images. It's totally fine. So let's move on to the other block, like the featured blocks. Again, we go to lists. We go to, again, does this have images? Yes, this has images. So we copy and paste the list with images. We go into the index.html. Same process as always. Copy and paste it. Same for the style.css. And refresh. And we'll see that we have the blog post right here. And then finally, we'll have the little social icon row. But for this tutorial, let's do something crazy. Let's go to social folders and let's do the social files, which I think are pretty awesome. Same process as always. Copy and paste it. Same for the CSS. And let's refresh. And here we have our social tiles. Now you might ask, okay, Twan, everything's great, but how does it look on desktop? Well, it also looks pretty darn good on desktop as well. So this is a quick example of the Crossroad template. From here, you can change your own, you can change all the content inside of the template. You can push it to for sale. You can even push it to tiny host if you want. And you can be up and running within like 5 to 10 minutes with your own link in bio page. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoy the template. See ya!